Meet the iPhone 16e, power meets affordability. Apple's done it again. Introducing the iPhone 16e, a new powerhouse in the iPhone 16 family. With cutting-edge features and an unbeatable price starting at $599, this device is here to redefine performance and value. Could this be the smartphone upgrade you've been waiting for? Powered by the A18 chip and C1 modem, the iPhone 16e delivers lightning-fast performance and astounding battery efficiency. Need pro-level photography? Its 48-megapixel camera, fueled by computational enhancements, guarantees jaw-dropping photos and videos every time. Efficiency and innovation, all in one device. Style meets durability with the iPhone 16e's sleek design and IP68 water and dust resistance. Its 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display makes everything, from videos to games, look flawless. Crafted using recycled materials, it's a choice that looks great and feels good for the planet. With iOS 18, satellite connectivity, and Apple Intelligence features, the iPhone 16e is smarter, safer, and more useful than ever. From staying connected in remote regions to customizing your device's functionalities, this iPhone is built to adapt to your life like never before. Grab the iPhone 16e today and experience cutting-edge tech without breaking the bank. Whether you're upgrading or exploring Apple for the first time, this is the innovation-packed device for you. Head over to apple.com or your nearest store. Your journey into tomorrow starts now.